I'm back, and we're going to be continuing on with Transformers Rise of the Darkspark. So, as you remember, a second ago, we left off, well, not a second, I had to go to the view room, which was not too pleasant. I saved myself the trouble by destroying it. Whoa! Oh yeah! Cut in half. Boom. Whoa! Are you a... Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Some shakiness. Well, that ain't good at all. It has to be Energon. I need Energon! Thank you. What the? That is not fair. Okay, come on. So we're moving up. Okay. Okay. What? How are they shooting me? What? Okay. First of all, that is bogus. Second of all, that is bogus. And third of all, that's bogus. It's the beginning of the game. And why is this so blurry? I hate when it's blurry. There's no cover. There's no cover. Okay. But remember it had to shoot. Okay. Okay. I have over 600 bullets. Okay, this is really tough.
Let's see what we got.
Okay, we got him. Sorry to be silent, but I'm gonna be silent for most of the attacks. Oh God! Come on, seriously? I can't shoot! What? What? What the fudge? Yes, screw! Yep, fine. Screw this.
Let's see what we got.
That has to be a better way to do it.
Crazy losses. Another one down. They're sharper than I thought.
Let's just conserve. There's no place to hide. This is unreal.
Taking losses. Let's see what we got.
Oh my god, yay. Okay, so we're gonna get our first gearbox. Hopefully we get a character. So we got an iron gearbox. I think Jazz. We got Jazz from Full Cybertron and a 2x multiplier and the scatter blaster and the exploding enemies and cured. Okay. That was a lot if I do say so myself. Okay.
Got another one. Let's see what we got.
So, okay. I need the ammo, so I'm gonna head back up here. I thought I saw some ammo up here. So let's scout around and try to find some ammo. Oh no! Let's look around on this side. There has to be some ammo! Okay. I think I found some. Oh no! This is the place where I died. That's energy. Yep. Yep. So we're gonna switch into a car.
Let's see what we got. Grenade calibrate.
Okay, I know how to hide now. Good. Okay, so we got our bullets back. Whoa, that's why we need to walk slow. What? Okay, what difficulty is this on? This is not easy for now. Oh my god, what the heck? I'm just gonna end the episode after this. Oh my god. No, we're gonna meet up with Bumblebee and Optimus. And then we will stop the episode. Okay? Let's just hold through this all over again because that's why I want to do this whole episode. Just die and die over again. I am not dying now. You can go screw yourself.
Got another.
If you,
Let's see what we got.
okay, so we made it back here.
Another noob. Time to teach a lesson.
We got him. Okay. Okay. This is exactly where we died the last time.
Let's see what we got.
Now who's talking?
Let's see what we got.
Got him. Okay. Now we're just gonna leave in car mode. Settings. Can we change the difficulty back? No, but I'm getting ready for anything right about. Of course it's not out of the woods yet. Of course. Wait. Hold that thought.
So much wanton destruction. Farm, I don't see any humans.
Oh,
Humans never asked for our war,
guys.
but they have prepared for it. The
I don't know if I restarted the episode, but okay. So let's just get to the tunnel, and then I'll do an episode right after this. But oh my god,
change their minds or confirm their fears.
let's just push this train.
First, there are numerous mercenaries stationed outside the subway station. Thank you for warning. It looks like they're using it as a staging area. And I will reduce their numbers before I reach you.
We're out. No, just just kill me. I want to reset the difficulty. Oh my god. Talk about vandalizing. This place is full of it. But okay. So, it should be back to medium now, so it's time to level up. But it should be up here. Okay. Jason. Got him.
Let's see what we got.
This gun. I need a.
We're taking losses.
Talking about your. Ah, it's too bleak.
He got away.
Oy. Guys, I think I'm gonna end the episode here. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. You know the drill, and I'll see you next. Seriously? This is wrong. Okay, I don't know.